Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today I'm doing a collab with Unicorn Rainbows Toys and Dolls, Tina's Reborns and More, Ella Avar. I'm really bad at saying this one. You're going to have to forgive me. Aniog BJD and the Real Prince Club. And what we're each doing is we have taken the pattern, and I will have a link below for these patterns for a Ken doll. They're very simple patterns. A couple people are sewing by hand, which is very impressive. This is the fourth time I've done this outfit. It doesn't take that long. I like this one because it reminds me of the old Chevrolet commercials. See the USA in a Chevrolet. It just, it just does. Anyway, this is a pretty easy pattern, both top and bottom, which links will be listed below for you to try it out for your dolls. And not only does it fit Ken, this pattern will also work, maybe not perfect without a little tweaking, but will also work for your Curvy Barbies. This is one of the yoga Barbies. I just love her. I love that face and hair, which gives you more options for the pattern. Please go see everyone's videos that will be listed in the links below. I'll have all the channels listed. And if you ever make an outfit from this pattern, we'd love to see it. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.